This video is not a paid sponsorship from Rode Microphones, and its creator has not received any compensation for the products featured in this video. What is up, everybody? It's good to see you, like always. It's me, your favorite geeky vlogger, Matt Walker, otherwise known as Major Motion Matt. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different and show you something cool that I got in the mail today. I don't normally do this kind of video, but I'm just really excited about this thing I got. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Rode Video Micro Compact on-camera microphone. I really like Rode microphones. I have used the Video Pro mic before, which is just great and super inexpensive. Right now I'm using the Video Go Rode mic, and it sounds pretty good, I think. I'm not monitoring it, so I don't know. But today I thought I would unbox this bad boy and show you what you get in the package. It's super affordable too. For a microphone that is less than 50 bucks, it looked pretty great on the internet, so we're gonna give it a test out today and see what you think. So as you can see, it's a pretty small box, honestly. This came in a regular padded envelope in the mail, so that's a pretty good size if you ask me. Not too big. This is a microphone, so I didn't expect it to be in some giant box, but there we go. This pops out. So, oh, how nice. I'll close this up for safety. So this is what you get in your package. So this is the microphone itself. It has the dead cat on it. I heard another YouTuber say that because it's such a small microphone, it's not really a dead cat, it's more of like a dead cat paw, so we'll just take that off. This is the microphone itself. It is indeed very, very tiny, which is very cool. If you can see, it's got some real metal features, and it's not plastic, it's good. There's our nice little Rode logo there. Oh, here's a shock mount, which is cool. I'm guessing it just goes on. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Check it out. It's very small, which is actually really convenient. I'll do a camera test outside in a second to see how it sounds, but this is pretty nice. Let's see how the dead cat fits on there with it on the shock mount. Right on. 3.5 connector, so I can stick it right on the camera. One of these tasty little edible containers. I'll save that for a snack later. And a very small instruction booklet. Well, this is cool. Let's go test it outside. So I'm out here on a nice sunny day. I don't know if the camera is in focus because I'm running camera by myself. It's really bright. I can't see the screen too well. I just kind of had to guess. This might be out of focus. It might be in focus. I don't know. This isn't a focus test. This is a microphone test. As you can hear right now, it's probably pretty awful. That's because I'm using the onboard built-in microphone of this camera. Usually those are notoriously awful. Now I'm gonna plug in the Rode Video Go microphone to hear how it sounds with the microphone that I've been using. This is the Video Go microphone, which I've had for a few years now. It's been pretty good. It's not quite at the level of a Rode Video Pro mic, but those are about 3 times the price. And this one came with a cool mic stand, so I'm pretty happy with it. Of course, I can't hear how it sounds right now because I'm not monitoring the audio, but in post-production, when I'm editing, I'll put what I think is a score right here on screen. And we're about to test the Rode Video Micro microphone. So let's hear how that sounds in comparison to the last 2 audio samples we heard. And this is using the Rode Video Micro. Again, I don't know how it sounds yet. This is literally my first test of it. But I was pleased to find out that the microphone is powered by phantom power from the camera, which means you just plug it right in. You don't have to worry about batteries. You don't have to worry about recharging. It's just good to go, which is very cool. I got it out of the box and I had some AAAs and some AA's standing by to plug in so I could shoot this video, and it turns out I didn't even need them. What do you know about that? I've also got the dead cat shoe on the microphone right now. There's a lot of wind. There's an airplane overhead right now, if you can hear it. There's birds everywhere, so we'll see how it sounds when it comes to post. But those are my tests right now. Let's go take a listen on the computer. So I'm in here at my editing station, and I've just listened to all the clips. The Video Micro is pretty great. I think I like the Go just a little bit more, but I think the Micro does better with excess sound. And it could just be the dead cat that I have on there, because my regular Go only has a foam cover for it. So yeah, I think the sound's just a little bit better on the Go. It was like $20 more, so that makes sense. But the Micro is pretty great for the price, only $50. That's excellent if you're just getting into DSLR videography or filmmaking. The other plus to the Micro is that it is powered by phantom power, which I mentioned outside. Not having to keep up with 9-volt batteries is a blessing, let me tell you. All in all, pretty good. There you have it. There is the Video Micro microphone by Rode. What did you think? You should definitely leave me a comment below, and I mean that like with all sincerity, because I kind of want to know what you actually think, because you're watching a video, and you'll be honest with me and let me know what you think about the audio quality, won't you? Won't you be honest with me? Please. That's all for today. I was gonna say goodbye, but I think I'll let the cartoon take care of it. As always, there are a lot of great YouTubers out there, and the fact that you just chose to spend the last few minutes with me, it really means a lot. Be sure to check out this cool video. I'm sure you'll love it. Or maybe this one. It's the newest. If you want to see more, subscribe, and we'll hang out again soon. Thanks for watching. Until next time, ding!